Hey everyone, so if you're a Starbucks partner, you've probably done the search in your phone's App Store for the Partner Hours app and found absolutely nothing. Well, today we are diving into the one and only official way to get it on your phone. Let's get right into it.
So, let me guess. You're a Starbucks partner, you hop on the App Store or Google Play, you type in Starbucks Partner Hours, and crickets, right? Or maybe even worse, you find a bunch of weird-looking apps that just don't seem right. Sound familiar?
Okay, first things first, let me just say, you are not going crazy. The official app really isn't in the public app stores, and there's a really good reason for it. Don't worry though, the real process is super straightforward once you know the secret, and we're going to walk you through every single step.
And here it is, the big aha moment. See, the Partner Hours app isn't a normal app for the public. It's actually a private, internal tool meant only for employees. Starbucks keeps it on a totally separate, secure system to protect everyone's data, which is exactly why you'll never ever find it with a simple search.
All right, so before we jump into the actual download, there are a few things you're going to need to have handy. Let's run through a quick checklist so you can get everything ready to go.
So you'll need your partner number and your global username and password. Yep, the same ones you use for Partner Central. Also, make sure your phone is pretty up to date. And here's the most important piece of the puzzle. You need the official QR code. Your manager has it, or you can find it yourself on the Partner Hub at work. Just search for Mobile App Quick Reference.
And I really can't stress this part enough. You have to use the official QR code. There are some fake apps out there, and using the code straight from your manager or the Partner Hub is the only way you can be sure you're getting the real, secure app and keeping your info safe.
Perfect! Now that you've got all your stuff ready, let's kick off the first big step. And here's the twist. We're not actually downloading the Partner Hours app first. We need to start with a special gateway app, and it's called the Intelligent Hub.
Go ahead and open your phone's App Store. In that search bar, just type in Intelligent Hub. Now the one you're looking for is called Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub. This is the key. It's the secure app that's going to connect your phone to the private Starbucks app system.
And this is exactly what you should be looking for. On the left, that's the icon in the Apple App Store, and on the right is what you'll see over on Google Play. Just make sure the icon and the name match Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub.
Okay, you've got the Intelligent Hub installed. Awesome. Now it's time for probably the most crucial step, actually connecting that app to the Starbucks network.
So, open up that Intelligent Hub app you just downloaded. It's going to ask you for a server address or maybe an email. You can pretty much ignore all of that because the easiest, fastest way to do this is with that official QR code we talked about.
The app's going to ask for permission to use your camera. Go ahead and allow it, and then just scan the correct QR code for your phone. There's a different one for iPhone and Android. That little scan does all the heavy lifting and tells the Hub app exactly where it needs to connect.
Now, let's say your camera is being difficult or the code just won't scan. Don't panic. You've got a backup plan. You can just type the info in manually. For the server, you're going to enter appcafe.starbucks.com, and for the group ID, type partner, all in capital letters.
So once you're connected, the app will ask you to log in. Just use your global username and password. This is the final step that officially enrolls your device into the system. Now you might need to be a little patient here, because right after you're enrolled, the actual SBUX Partner Hours app should start installing all by itself in the background.
Okay, you are so close. But, sometimes technology just doesn't want to cooperate. So let's really quickly go over a few common problems you might run into, and more importantly, how to fix them fast.
If you're getting a password error, just remember you can't reset it from the app itself. You have to go to the main Partner Central website to do that. If the app just doesn't show up after a few minutes, the oldest trick in the book usually works. Just restart your phone. And hey, if you're still completely stuck, the Enterprise Help Desk is there to help you out.
And just like that, you did it. You navigated this secret little maze, and you got the Partner Hours app installed. You literally now have the key to managing your work schedule right in the palm of your hand.
So, why is this a game changer? Well, it means you can see your schedule whenever you want. You can easily swap shifts with a coworker when life happens. You can put in for time off without having to be physically at the store. And you can get important updates. It's really all about giving you more control over your own time.
And that pretty much wraps it up. You now know the secret to getting the app. So the real question is, how are you going to use this newfound power to create a schedule and a work-life balance that really works for you?